The average function in Excel calculates the average, which is arithmetic mean of the group of numbers. The average function ignores logical values, empty cells, and cells that contain text. For example, the average function calculates the arbitrary number in cells A1 to A3. Instead of using the average function, you can use sum and count. The function produces this exact same result. Now, the following average function calculates the average of numbers in cells A1 to A3 and the number 8. Average function ignores logical values, true or false, and empty cells and cells that contain text. Average A function also returns the average of a group of numbers. However, the logical value false and cells that contain text evaluates to 0 and the logical value true evaluates to 1. The average A function also ignores empty cells. For example, take a look at the average A function with the cell reference A1 to A6, which returns the value 4.4. You can use the normal average function to check the result. Equal to average cell references from D1 to D6, and there we are with the same result 4.4. We can use average and large in Excel to calculate the average of top 3 numbers in the data set. First, the average function calculates the average of the numbers in cell A1 to A6. To find the third largest number, use the following large function. A1 to A6, comma, third largest number. So third, okay, we third. The formula, if we use this formula, we can calculate the average of top 3 numbers, and then I'll explain the reason behind it. Equal to average large so the range is A1 to A6, comma, curly brackets, top 3 numbers 1, comma, 2, comma, 3, curly brackets, close parenthesis. Lots of stuff. Let's pause. So the explanation of getting a result 15 here is that the large function returns the array constant 20, 15, 10. This array constant is used as an argument for the average function, giving a result of 50.